we got pulled over, bro. We got pulled over. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, we did get pulled over. YouTube, welcome back to another video. So in this video, hey, it's not gonna be an average video, man. Yeah, so the wheels are getting changed on the M4 because it's been raining recently and they're slicks. You know what that means? You put 2 and 2 together, no traction. So look, these are the wheels that I got. I got new wheels over there, but these are the ones I got right here, the triple R8s, R888s. I don't know, whatever people say. Like all around, and they're dirty as hell. Same thing with the car, it's dirty as hell. Like, cause it's been raining recently. I want to wash it, cause you know I want to keep my car clean. Who doesn't? You know what I mean? But we're just gonna wash it real quick. I'm gonna pull out the pressure washer and do everything. But this is actually filthy as hell. The car is finally done. We got everything washed up, but I couldn't get all the rotors right. And you're asking like, oh, why didn't you clean all the wheels and rotors? I cleaned one wheel, which is this one right here. But I'm not gonna do it for all 4 because I'm gonna warp the brakes because I just came back from a drive. And not gonna lie, whenever I warped the brakes on my 320ai, that was not good. I think I said that multiple times in this video. I don't know if I did. But I couldn't clean the other tires, which is kind of annoying. It's gonna be one clean and all of them dirty. So in a bit we're probably gonna go to Best Buy, because not gonna lie, I've seen the ZVE10 and that shit got me low-key interested. I'm gonna go see if they have it. It's gonna be the further Best Buy, because the Best Buy here, they never have anything. So I'm probably gonna go there and then we're just gonna figure out if I get it or not. I'm just trying to see, hopefully it's in stock so I can actually see it. Yeah, then we're gonna go grab the jack from my friend's house and see what we can do. Yeah, because he's not picking up my phone calls. It's just like famous or something. Finally, bro. So we're at Best Buy. I'm gonna be looking at the ZVE10. I'm trying to replace this because, not gonna lie, I've seen the mirrorless camera and it gets wide. You know what I mean? This one's just like, meh. That's basically this one. Guys, I think I messed up. I walked in and I walked out with this, a ZVE10, boys. You know, I'm taking this shit seriously. You know, look, as you guys can tell, like all the boxes are right here. I just opened it up. Why is it not turning on? The battery's in there. Oh, I still need to figure out how this whole thing works. And it's so much better. I can actually have a firm grip on it. Like, it's actually, pause, hey, yo. Got it all working. I'm still trying to figure it out, do all this right here, and I'll get back to you guys probably on maybe this camera. I don't know, it might need to charge a little bit longer. I still gotta figure everything out, but yeah, I still gotta figure it out. So I'll catch you guys once this is all figured out. On the way back home, man, I'm not trying to get copyrighted, not gonna lie. So right now we're on the way back. Thank God. I'm not gonna jinx it, but there's no traffic so far, because usually traffic is gonna be more up ahead, which kind of is annoying. That's where the most get stacked, not gonna lie. But we're on the way back. I'm gonna go pick up the jack so we can put the new rims on, baby. And not gonna lie, I'm excited because you know what I said, 10K drift night. And boy, oh boy, we're finna go drift the hell out of this car, boys. A quick pull. Hold on, let me see. Let me get this guy going. Oh, wow, really? So we're just gonna go in front of me. Now, let me put the volume down. Let's do like this. A soft little pull for y'all. So we just got back home. This is a new camera. I know there's a big difference. This is the new camera. This is an old camera. Hey, like I said, bro, it's gonna go crazy. So we just got home. I'm just waiting till my brother calls his friend, because he doesn't like to answer my phone calls because he's famous. But we're just waiting on that real quick. I'm gonna surprise my sister with this probably later tonight. Hey, we're gonna see how it's gonna be. And oh man, last time we're gonna be seeing these trims over here, boys. This is gonna be the last time we're gonna be seeing these trims. Damn, bro, I'm gonna miss them. Well, the other ones look better, of course, but bro, I'm gonna be missing it because they look so nice. They look so nice and they're just wide. The other ones are gonna make my car look like a monster truck. Bro, I can't even get that shit done today, bro. They don't like to pick up their phones, but I swear to God. But this is gonna be the last drive for sure with this on. 100% this is gonna be the last drive with these rims. And not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss them, boys. I'm gonna really miss those tires and rims, bro. They're so beautiful. But the new rims are gonna be on. They're gonna be winter tires, so you know, way better. It's gonna be winter tires because it's gonna rain and I'm gonna actually get some traction, unlike these Johns, but I can't even get traction in those. So you know, we got the gas pump, but not gonna lie, bro, prices are crazy right now. But I remember I took a picture, it was in 2022, I think, and it was like 2 point something, but now that shit's like, damn, bro, like you get what I mean? So this doesn't work, and now we gotta go all the way down there. And I don't even, bro, this shit's so far. And I don't think there's like an exit, or I would say an entrance. There's not an entrance. Now I gotta go whip all the way down there, then make a U-turn, then hit a left, then hit a right. Bro, really? Like, why do you even have this shit if it doesn't even work? We got pulled over, bro. We got pulled over. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, we did get pulled over for the license plate. Thank God I got away with the ticket. No ticket. I didn't get a ticket, so I kind of got away with it. So that's good. But I am working. I told him. I mean, I'm not lying. I'm trying to get my what's it called? My PO box and everything. He was like, you know what? Have a good night. So this is the second time it happened. That's cool, bro. I like the creator shit. It's kind of cool. But yeah, so it was kind of a weird thing, bro. Like, that was random. Bro, whenever I tell you, I'm somehow gonna get copyrighted, bro. I'm telling you. Alright, bro, whenever I tell you, bro, look at this shit. The other one was like 4.9, almost 5, and bro, this is like 4.6. That's not gonna lie, that's a big difference. You can't even judge me. That's a big difference. Now let's see how much this is gonna fill up for. I would say 55 here, because on the one, whenever it was 4.9. it was 60 something, 64 I think, and this one's gonna be like 55 or like 56. Watch, play the waiting game. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, 65. I was 55. Close. 50 more. Holy shit. All right, bro, I'm not even joking. Right there. I think it's good. Yeah. I'm gonna give you guys a pre-fuel startup real quick. This is gonna be loud. Well, usually every time I put fuel in it, it gets loud as hell. So we gotta have the M1 on. Make sure no cops. Let's look at my car. Doesn't want me to get paid. Okay, I see how it is. You ain't getting no gas no more. Okay, I'm actually stupid. I actually might be on the spectrum a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is just go to AutoZone and just buy me a jack thing or return it. So nobody likes to pick up and everything. I might as well. I might go to Best Buy and grab me a tripod. I might have to do that. But right now we're about to go to AutoZone, and we're probably gonna go grab us a jack real quick, because you know nobody is there whenever you need help. So yeah, don't call me once I'm up. We just got to AutoZone. Bro, imagine putting an intake like that on your car, bro. That's just gonna get you sensor blow up the next day. But we're trying to find the jack. I don't even know where the jacks are. Oh, right here. I need like a good jack, you know, because I don't want to get the one, because 90% of the time they don't fit under my car. It hits the lip, not the lip, the side skirts. Bro, I just down like $380 right here, bro. See, that's what I mean. But I mean, I'm not worried, because I'm gonna return it, because I'm just using it just for now, just to put on the new rims. Finally got the jack in. We're gonna go home, and bro, I'm trying to put the new rims on, and I can't wait, low key, because we might go swinging a bit after that, just to end the video. I'm still trying to figure out what's the word, like what we're doing after. But right now, our main objective is putting on these damn tires. I've been waiting for a day already. I can't wait. I'm about to buzz if I keep waiting that long. I'll catch you guys at the crib. my Best Buy right now, I'm planning on getting like the long mic thing for the camera. Just put it like on top, because I heard it helps out with the audio. But you know, I'm still trying to figure out what they got, because they have the Rode one, and I'm trying to see if that would be a good fit for this camera or not. Let's get a quick startup for y'all. Let's see how crazy. We're not gonna lie, this sounds a little too crazy. I'm not even joking. But right now we're about to head home. I got the jack. We're gonna put on the tires and then we'll be back. And it's just gonna be crazy. Let's get it, boys. All right, so my brother's asleep. So I guess everything is gonna be on me now. I gotta do this, gotta do that, just myself, you know? No help, no nothing. But actually, I might take out the jack later on. But right now, my main concern, I'm trying to get the lug nuts off. So let's try to find that tool where you take the lug nuts off. See? I've done all of these in less than a minute. That's actually crazy. They're literally all hand tight. That's actually bad. That's terrible. Okay, let's pull this jack out and let's get everything done and figure everything out. Turned out this can't fit under here because it's like this right here, but now I think what we're gonna do is gonna put it outside down there, so it would be easier for me to kind of reach down. But I hope it do fit. I'm gonna actually be so mad if it doesn't. I'm gonna actually be quick, but right now I'm about to start it up. Finally got the first side up. Look how flat this shit is. It's actually crazy, but hold on. That's bad. Well, we finally got this side, bro. This is so hard to lift. I'm not even joking. Yeah, so let's take this wheel off and let's see. Let's figure everything out. So yeah, let me catch you when all 4 is on. Actually, let me catch you whenever I'm doing the last one. We got the last one, and then we're done with this. We got all these extra ones. Bro, look at these older ones. That shit's literally on. See that? That's bad. But right now, we got all the tires on. You see, these are the rims I'm talking about. I got all of them on, except the one actually. Except the one, because I said I'm gonna pick it up once that's done. And then we're gonna go for a drive, see if it drives different or not. Then we're just gonna figure everything out. So in the meantime, I'm probably gonna put this one on and then pick you guys up once I'm done with that. Holy, finally got all the tires on right there. Bro, it's hot as hell, bro. I'm not even joking. It's so hot. Hold on. Is it even recording? Oh yeah, it is recording. Bro, it's actually so hot. I was like dying. As you can see, my face is all like wet and everything. Pause. Man, got all that figured out. Got a jack. You know, I changed clothes. Now we gotta head to AutoZone because I want to return. I don't want to. Oh my god, this one's so much colder. That's actually bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna see how they feel. Let me get you guys a quick startup, and then we head to AutoZone. Yeah, I just gotta head to AutoZone after this. I just gotta return it, then I might do some pulls, see if we grip or not. So let's get it. First thing I feel is literally it turns so smooth. Like it turns so easy. Like I don't even need to put no force in it. Like onto the side, because I almost like you know it's a bit harder. I don't know if they're triple R 8Rs, whatever, R8s, whatever you guys call it. So we just returned everything. We returned the jack. I'm gonna pull up to the side in a little bit and I'm gonna show you how it looks from the outside, and I'm gonna see if I can lose traction or not. So I'm probably gonna be switching over to this right here. I'm gonna be switching up to this over here and trying to see, you know, if I can gain traction or not. But let's get it, boys. We good. Cops. Let's see, do we? I would say we grip. Yeah, so now that I know that it doesn't grip, I miss the smell of rubber. Now that I know it doesn't grip, I'm definitely gonna be more careful taking turns for sure. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy Dextro. I'm out.